Hey, it's Mike from Risko Music, and I'm going to show you 4 techniques: a hammer-on, a pull-off, a slide, and a bend. Now let's use the A minor pentatonic scale as our example for some of these techniques. So here is the A minor pentatonic scale starting right on the note A. I'll pick every note for this. Okay, now a hammer-on is where you play the first note with your pick, usually. I'm going to play the note C on the 3rd string, 5th fret. And then I'll play the next note in the pentatonic scale. When you're ready, you just hit your finger down so it produces the next note. I'll do it again. And it doesn't have to be quick like this. You can wait as long as you want. And you can do it on any string. And you can get some neat ideas. You can do like a sequenced pattern, like a... So some really cool things you can do. Here's a major scale. This is G major. You can do the same kind of thing like this. You get some really neat sounds like that. Now, a pull-off is the opposite. You anchor a finger down, so I'll put my first finger on A, I pick the note C, and I pull down towards the floor while leaving my first finger on A, and so I'm essentially picking the note A with the C. And again, it doesn't have to be fast like that, it can be slow. And I can come down each string like that. I could go up with hammer-ons. Whoops. I could play them backwards too, like. And you can make up whatever you want, or this way. Okay? Those are really fun things to do. Then we have a slide. So with a slide, so many ways to do this. You could do a whole video on just one technique, but if I use my first finger on C, I could pick the note and slide up to the next note. I could also slide down. Okay. A bend is where you bend the string to another note. Now, if I play this note D in the A minor pentatonic, let's say I want to go to a flat 5. I put my 3rd finger down on D. I like to use my 2nd finger behind it to help push it up. So what I do is I play the note D. I want to be able to hear this. This is where I want to go with the bend. And I get that in my ear. And I bend to it. And you'll get used to your string gauge and your guitar and know exactly how far to bend it. So it was a little flat there, I went up. You could pre-bend too, see if I kind of estimate where it is. So if I use some of those techniques, you can get some very cool things going on. So try some of those techniques out. Come visit us anytime, riskomusic.com. Thank you.